Imagine cruising down a quiet countryside road in a vehicle that turns every head, not because it's loud, not because it's fast, but because it's unlike anything most people have ever seen. This isn't your typical RV, and it's not just a trike either. It's a rare, vintage tricycle camper, a forgotten masterpiece of engineering, creativity, and pure nostalgic charm. Most people have never even heard of one, let alone seen it in action. But once you do, it's impossible to forget. This ultra-unique camper combines the freedom of a motorcycle, the vintage aesthetic of a bygone era, and the practicality of a tiny home, all on 3 wheels. It looks like something straight out of a post-apocalyptic movie or a steampunk dream, yet it's real, it's functional, and it's beautiful. Every curve, every bolt, every patch of rust tells a story of the road, of resilience, and of rebellion against the modern obsession with over-the-top luxury. This isn't about excess. It's about experience. Step inside, and you're greeted by a surprisingly cozy living space. A handcrafted wooden interior with tiny shelves, a fold-down bed, soft lighting powered by a hidden solar panel, and even a mini kitchenette with just enough space to cook a warm meal. Everything inside is compact but functional, a true definition of minimalist freedom. It may not have smart screens or fancy appliances, but it has something most RVs today don't: soul. This camper wasn't built in a factory. It was crafted with care, possibly in someone's garage, likely over many months, maybe even years. It's a piece of rolling art, a tribute to a time when people built things with their hands and their hearts. And let's talk about the ride. It's not fast, but that's the point. You cruise. You take in the world at your own pace. You're not just traveling, you're living in the moment. And trust me, people will stop you. They'll want photos. They'll want to know more. Because in a world full of copy-paste cars, this trike camper is a rebel. But what makes this rare vintage tricycle camper even more special today is what it represents: freedom from rent, freedom from mortgages, freedom from the noise of modern living. It's a reminder that you don't need $1 million to live $1 million life. With just enough space to sleep, cook, and dream, this camper is a sanctuary on wheels for those who dare to live differently. And for some, it's more than a vehicle, it's a lifeline. In times where housing is unaffordable for so many, this vintage trike camper isn't just cool, it's a symbol of hope. A practical, mobile solution for those chasing adventure, simplicity, or even just a roof over their head. So if you've ever dreamed of breaking free from the system, of hitting the road with everything you need and nothing you don't, this rare tricycle camper just might be the spark that changes everything.